Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to count names in Google Sheets. This is a powerful way to quickly analyze data and see how many times a specific name appears in your spreadsheet, which is incredibly useful for tracking attendance, analyzing survey responses, or managing any list with repeated entries. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your available files and folders. From the Workspace dashboard, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to count names. This will open the file in Google Sheets, giving you access to all your data. Take a moment to locate the column or range that contains the names you want to analyze. In my example, I have a sample name column here, and I want to count how many times the name John Doe appears throughout this list. Now here's where the magic happens. Click on an empty cell where you want the count result to display. This cell will show you the final number once we complete the formula. In this cell, type $COUNTIF, open parenthesis. The COUNTIF function is specifically designed to count cells that meet a certain criteria, making it perfect for our task. Next, you'll need to select the range of cells that contains the names you want to search through. Click and drag to highlight all the cells in your name column, or you can manually type the range if you prefer. After selecting the range, add a comma. This comma separates the range from the criteria you're about to specify. Now type the name you want to count. For example, if you're looking for John Doe, type it inside double quotation marks like this, John Doe. The quotation marks are essential because they tell Google Sheets you're looking for an exact text match. Once you've typed the name with quotation marks, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. The moment you press Enter, Google Sheets will calculate and display the total count of how many times John Doe appears in your selected range. This instant result saves you from manually scrolling through potentially hundreds of rows trying to count entries yourself. And that's all there is to it. You now have an accurate count of a specific name in your spreadsheet using a simple but powerful formula. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.